Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a roster from Blackboard and upload it into a Flipgrid so your students can have access. So the first thing you want to do is, in your Blackboard course, go to the Grade Center and select Full Grade Center. In the upper right hand corner, select Work Offline and Download. So I'm just going to select download the full Grade Center and then click Submit. And then choose where you want to save the file and give it a name. And then that's all you're going to do with Blackboard. So next you're going to come over to Flipgrid, log in as an educator, and then navigate to your Flipgrid Educator dashboard. So you can edit an existing grid or create a new grid. Right, so for using a roster from Blackboard, you're going to select the community type of student ID list, give your grid a name, and if you want to give it a unique flip code, you can do that. I'll call mine BB roster, and then you can just select next. Okay, so the first thing here, in order to upload your roster, you need to download the Flipgrid template and save it. So now we're going to upload or open up the two spreadsheets that we just downloaded. So you can see here in the downloads section, we have the student template that we got from Flipgrid. And so just open up the student template CSV file. And you'll see here they have three columns: student first name, last name, and then the unique ID that you want to use. So I'm going to hop over back to my Explorer and also select the roster that I just downloaded. It's test roster. Okay, so basically I don't want anything to the right of the student ID, so I can just delete all of that. So now I'm left with the student last name, first name, user ID, and student ID. So depending on which one you want to use, either the username or the student ID, you can delete the other one. So in this case, I'm going to delete the username. So I'm just going to select the last name, first name, and student ID columns and leave off the first row. So I'm going to copy that and then hop over to the template that I downloaded from Flipgrid and paste those there. So now I have everything that I need, so I can save that. I'll save that to my downloads folder, and I'll call it Flipgrid roster. Okay, now we'll head back over to Flipgrid, and we can now upload our file. So click Upload a CSV, select the roster that you just created, and then click Open. And you can see here Flipgrid will automatically insert the student data, and so you can see this test student does not have a UH PeopleSoft ID, so they won't have a unique identifier. And then just click Next. Or you can also manually add a student if they didn't show up on your list. And now you can launch your grid. And when you view it as a student, it'll ask you for the student ID. So if I type my student ID, I will be able to see the grid. So that's it. that's how you upload a Blackboard roster to create a Flipgrid assignment.